Focus shifts now to the emblem itself. Pitted, sun-bleached, and heavily oxidized, the iconic cat lettering.
This 1964 Caterpillar D9 is slowly emerging from its resting place. The golden hour light provides answers.
Decades of use have left this 1964 D9 heavily corroded. Flaking paint and deep oxidation are visible. From archival memory to silent relic, the 1964 D9, once a titan of industry, now yields to the relentless march of time and sand.
Over-shoulder shot of team leader measuring corroded sprocket thickness on a 1964 Caterpillar D9 Bulldozer using digital count.
Thread the yellow strap under the frame now.
Got it, pulling through.
Make sure the clevis is secure before lift.
Engage the front winch slowly. Tension is holding. Clear the left roller.
Set that panel down on rack number 4. Confirmed. Watch your footing, it's heavy.
Careful documentation is crucial. We use these tags to label the hydraulic hoses and cables, then sort them into specialized bins for the cleaning phase. Tremendous force is required to break the bond of 6 years of rust and corrosion on this D9 track pin.
The meticulous tagging and photographic documentation of these hundreds of disassembled components is crucial for the
The wear pattern on the differential suggests misalignment.
Yes, but the casing damage is more critical for structural integrity.
Macro tracking shot along gear assemblies from a 1964 Caterpillar D9 Bulldozer transmission as thick black grease and sludge.
The phosphoric acid immediately begins converting the iron oxide. Notice the foaming action as the rust transforms into
Rushing the phosphoric acid solution onto the rusted surface initiates a chemical reaction, shown by the white foam actively converting the oxidation. After sandblasting, these 1964 Caterpillar D9 components are inspected to ensure a uniform.
The digital micrometer is used to verify the drive shaft diameter. The precise measurement of 88.9 millimeters.
Using the black light, we can clearly see the fluorescent indications. These bright green lines confirm the presence of fatigue cracks.
We use the yellow chalk to clearly identify areas needing attention on the D9 frame. Cracks are circled and
The bare chassis of this 1964 Caterpillar D9 is currently undergoing detailed inspection.
A fabricator tracing a cardboard template onto a fresh half-inch steel plate for a replacement reinforcement panel for a 19...
The hydraulic press applies 75 tons of bending force, slowly flexing the twisted steel frame back into alignment.
Using specialized clamps and red alignment lasers, we ensure the new blade cutting edge is affixed with millimeter precision across the 12-foot span. As we zoom in, the contrast is clear. The original bent panel next to the freshly fabricated replacement highlights the precision of our restoration.
The idler wheels, track rollers, and drive sprockets are test fitted loosely to the frame. We're confirming alignment accuracy before final.
Witness the dramatic restoration of this 1964 D9 Caterpillar. We took the cracked and rusted frame and returned it to its original strength.
We're looking at the completely rebuilt frame of this 1964 D9.
Structural repairs are finished, providing a perfect foundation ready for the mechanical systems install. As we disassemble the 3208 diesel engine, we carefully remove the pistons and connecting rods, placing them in firing order for inspection. Comparing heavily worn, carbon-caked original piston from a 1964 Caterpillar D9 Bulldozer beside freshly machined replacement.
Diamond abrasive stones rotate inside the cylinder bore, creating a perfect 45-degree crosshatch pattern that meets factory specifications.
As we push in on the gauge, the needle shows the camshaft runout is within the tight 0.01-inch specification.
Assembly lubricant is applied before seating the main bearing shell. It must align perfectly and click securely into the crankcase recess.
Beginning with the bare block, we rapidly install the crankshaft and pistons. The cylinder heads are then torqued down, complete.
Side pan across pegboard workstation showing complete wiring harness for a 1964 Caterpillar D9 Bulldozer laid out and being reloomed.
The rebuild process involves installing new polyurethane seals before sliding the precision ground chrome rods smoothly into the steel barrel.
Watch as the massive 385 horsepower diesel engine is precisely lowered by the gantry crane, the mounts aligning perfectly with the chassis brackets.
Proper installation requires securing the high-pressure hydraulic lines with stainless steel clamps and protective sleeves at specified interval.
Reassembling the D9's final drive requires meticulous attention to detail. We ensure the drive shafts are perfect.
Monitoring live gauges displaying stable hydraulic pressure, oil pressure, and coolant temperature during brief think lap. The iconic Caterpillar Highway Yellow base coat is applied in overlapping passes to the chassis of this 1964
The glide shot moves along the body of this classic D9. Watch as the clear coat instantly transforms the finish from highlighting the perfection of the restored finish. Compare that to the original archival footage, corroded and barely visible. Legendary 1964 Caterpillar D9. Abandoned for decades, this machine has been restored from a corroded relic to its gleaming glory.
Restored to its former glory, the classic Cat D9 pushes forward into the desert sunset.